This afternoon, this is your buddy George Jones over at the Albergan Gun Range. I have discovered that there is an ammunition remanufacturer about 10 miles from my house. So this is Extreme Reloading is the name of this company. And of course, I had straight over. Talked to the young man that runs it, and me and Ed decided that what we needed to do was we needed to put the ammunition to the test. Now they manufacture 9mm ammunition and they manufacture 5.56 ammunition. I don't know what their arrangement is about ordering online and so on and like that. And, what we're here to find out is the ammunition up to snuff? Does it shoot good? Does it work good? So I've got a target up down here at 15 yards. And we're going to shoot at it with several different types of firearms and see if we can figure out A, whether or not it functions good, and B, whether or not it shoots up to snuff in terms of accuracy. So we're going to run some rounds through the Gearson high power clone. We're going to run some rounds through my high power. We're going to run some rounds through a Taurus G3C or G3. See how that works. And then we're going to run some through automatic carbine. And we're going to run some through the old Star BM, one of my favorites. And we're going to find out how it works. So let's get started. First thing we'll do is we'll shoot for some accuracy, try and get some accuracy out of it. See how it actually shoots. And I'll get a block out here. And we'll get started. First up will be, put this on. First up will be the Taurus. I'll run a few through the Taurus and see how accurate the gun is. Let's see if I can get back here and get it comfortable. All right, creepy trigger Taurus. Oof. I'm hoping that's me. Oh, that's better. Oh. It shoots a little lower. I shoot it a little low. Let's put it that way. Whoops. That's no good. Light primer strike. Okay. All right. Light primer strike. It is one of the cheapest handguns you can buy in America. Ah, hell, Spingooli's calling me. Well, I guess I'll answer. It's Chief of Police. Missed call. Call him back.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, I had a question for you.
Okay, I got an answer for you.
I'm going home for Christmas, and I was wondering if the range is open right now or not.
Well, it better be. I'm sitting on it right now.
Okay. So I'll be able to get on it at any time throughout the week, or you'll have hours still?
Yes, I believe you're a preferred customer,
Okay.
Mr. National Shooting Team. Hey, don't forget to give me a call. I want to see you before you go home or before you go back to post.
All right, sounds good.
All right, see you, bud.
See ya.
was Sam Hassel.
Good.
Mr. National Shooting Team on the U.S. Marine Corps. What in the world would he possibly want to come over here and shoot with us here at this little hole? All right, then, let's go on with it. My marksmanship is not very good, but I got some bulls down there. All right, let's try something else. Let's try the old high power. Now, this gun shoots pretty good. We'll try it. Is that the right magazine? Yep. Here we go again. Runs through this whole thing pretty good. Let's try the high power. Or no, let's try the star. See how it goes. Runs good. Good running stuff. I got a high power mag. Give me a gear sawn over here and let's try it. Eesh. Ooh, it's got a creepy trigger to me. I'm not used to it. Well, they're all on the paper, but I'm all over the place like a mad woman's underclothes. Of course, I'm getting to where I can't shoot a pistol very good at all. Arthritis is taking its toll. That works. All right, let's try a little carbine action. Let's try that.
Okay. That's got 10 in it.
All right, then.
Wipe it.
There we go. That works. Now, yeah. Yeah. Let's try a little Uzi action. What you don't like about this thing? It don't lock back. Well, this brass is piling up. Boy, that thing looks a little haggard down there. Let's try some steels. Well, I got a magazine loaded. Oh yeah. Well, we could have brought more guns, I guess. Oh, it's got a MagSafe on it. All right, let's talk about it for a minute. Well, there's 9mm brass laying all over the place down here. We ought to bring Cousin Tony out with his nimble fingers. Well, first of all, I'm not the best pistol shot in the world anymore. But every time we shot at that man-sized silhouette, that ammunition hit it. And every time I shot at that steel silhouette hanging down there, I hit it. So, the ammunition is probably a lot more accurate than I am. Other than the one little snafu with a hard primer, it all works and functions and everything we've got. Well, I don't have my 9mm 1911 with me, and Ed didn't bring his 9mm 1911, but we've shot it out of Kel-Tec, Gearson, Taurus, High Power, BM, pretty good ammo. I've been over to the plant. I've been over to the facility. It's a big warehouse building. They've got all kinds of machines doing all kinds of things. You know, doesn't look like your home reloading setup, that's for sure. They've got the biggest brass tumbler I've ever seen. It's huge. It looks like a ready-mix concrete truck. Components are all name brand stuff, you know, accurate powder, you know, Remington Winchester powders and so forth. It's all good stuff. The bullets are berries, probably keeping them people in business. It's good material. I've seen it. It's got good components going together, and it's done right. And typically culls don't make it into the thing. That one hard primer, I don't know. They use CCI and Winchester primers. You think, well, I can't get any. I'm like, here's the deal. When you're buying them by the pallet, you can get them pretty easy. Okay, when you're buying them by the box, they're kind of hard to get. All right then, that's Extreme Ammunition. There'll be a little information card on the end of this video, so you know, hang around for it. It works good, looks good, and it's a Kentucky proud product, and we're proud to have it on our channel. Like-a-tate, share-a-fi, commentate, and subscribe. Leave me a $1 in the Patreon bucket if you want to, and if you don't, I'll keep right on making content for you. God bless America, and God bless each of us and every one of us. We'll see you now.